Holy, right up on the top turnbuckle.
Yeah.
Ted DiBiase?
Hey, what?
You like Ted DiBiase? Ted DiBiase?
Ted DiBiase?
Yeah.
The hell is that?
Wrestler.
Wrestler?
Yeah, give you the elbow drop off the top turnbuckle.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
That's Hulk Hogan.
Where's my $32?
You want to use them now?
Oh, I couldn't possibly. Don't you find those things smell like cat shit? Show them.
Cat shit?
Yeah.
These?
Yeah. Smell it.
Well, you gotta brush your teeth first.
Oh, is that what happened?
Then you put them in.
Oh, mine always smelled like cat shit.
Oh, well, you shouldn't eat it.
Oh. But yeah, $32, boys. Very, very disappointed. Are you freaking out?
Yep.
Oh no, you gotta go. Try not to breathe.
I need my mouth.
Just hold your cigarette. Something that should take fucking 3 minutes has to take hours and hours and hours. Well, that's probably why that stuff costs so much.
What?
Why that paint costs so much.
Why?
Because it's such a rugged
Rugged
buzz.
buzz?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
I quit.
Oh, can I use your mask?
It hasn't been used yet. Brand new.
Let me get some tokes off your cat shit mask.
Try it.
That's what they're there
I
for.
don't like that rugged buzz.
You don't like a rugged buzz? Oh, so you know I'm just a friggin' recipient of time travel, but Crawdad's a hoarder. Not near the level that I am, but that's where I got it from. And how long have you had these dinosaur eggs?
Oh, I don't know, a long time.
But he got these a long time ago, and apparently you're supposed to put them in water, and then they hatch.
Probably 20 years or more.
And so what would the purpose of these be? Oh, it's a crocodile egg. It's a crocodile egg. Oh, it's got a crocodile in it. Oh, looks like it was already trying to hatch. It was already trying to hatch. Let's see what happens. Got some of the air bubbles out of her. She sunk like a rock. How long does this stupid thing take? Still just rock hard. That's dumb. Huh? Did you sound my mess I made? Started getting hard, like all the metal schmitten and stuff. So I just scraped all the fuzz and stuff out from under the dash. There's like all this asbestos friggin' insulations just stuck all amongst it. So they left like a nice film of crud on there to stick the new stuff on, but yeah, I figure we'll take everything off of there. Put the put the same sound deadener on the inside there. It'll be awesome. But what? Started the hatch. And something poking out a little bit. What hymns? Oh dear. Whew. Oh wait. That thing's just bursting out of there. We'll have to wait till Crawdad comes over and we'll investigate it. But don't tell him that I got into a spray 9 here. I just got the firewall a little bit and stuff. Looks like it's drying, so I best hurry up. Oh yeah, I got this thing. I had to take the rod rod and shaft and spring, and then like the little plastic washer broke, and then I just went right over to my bucket that Fallon's been sorting out and found a plastic washer. I just had to wallow the friggin' center out a little bit, so we got that all capsized and with custom peonies, so I got all brand new shit on my rig there. Nice, leather kind. But yeah, I'll grab a rag and we'll wipe this down. I think the next order of operations is going to be fill all these holes in, and then at least that part will be done anyways. Hey, I apologize. Where's my tripod? Holy, just about snapped my cankle. Just about gave her the old cankle snapper 5000. Oh yeah, it's definitely, it's not the spray on and leave for a minute, do some talking and then get to later. It's to spray it on and wipe it off right now. Tack, it would appear. Should try some friggin' mopping glow, you know what I mean? I apologize. I apologize that I suggest we use mop and glow on the car square body. Really getting to the electrical components, that'll be good. So I suppose next step is to take the steering wheel out now that we've got all the undersortment dealt with. Just ambidextrous, boys. I'm not sure how I do it. Should have got you from the other side. I apologize. Holy fuck. Oh, dick. Check this little bastard out. He's escaping big time. He's supposed to wait for Crawdad. Should be here tomorrow, but Chinook blew in something terrible, boys. So we're gonna have to probably play tractor again. I mean, I don't mind playing tractor, I'll play tractor, but holy shit. Every day? Fucking every day? You know? I mean, if we're getting paid for it, it's one thing, but holy fucking, yeah. Yeah, I think just that electrical, pull the wiring out of it, and might as well clean everything up, make sure everything's good. There's already a couple chazzle spots. There's that spot there in the friggin' brake switch wire, and then I seen one over here somewhere. I think it was in this one. This is for the interior light. Looks like a friggin' mouse vivet, so that'll for sure not work. That's good. Oh wow, yeah. So I mean, we might need to run a couple more wires and different things. It'll be awesome, but just having a campawampus figuring out how I'm going to do the rest of the firewall there. I'm going to just self-tap a cardboard box over it and spray paint it black and color a day, but that's probably not going to last very long, you know what I mean? Try to get a couple summers out of it anyway. 3 strings of wire left in here. I'll just pull that fuse box out and then we can lay it all out, clean everything up. Make sure there's no frazzled wires. There's these, if anybody knows, like it looks like, one's got a chazzled ends, one's just cut off, and one's looped over for a stovepipe. So I don't know if those are like auxiliary wires, or if that's been cobbled, but, coming out of the guy, right behind the what's it, That's her. One screw to get that out of there. Here's all that. Holy fuck. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Tomorrow's another day. Crawdad will be here in the morning. It'll be awesome. It's getting pretty late. Not even sure what time it is, but I just wanted to yank that friggin' steering column out and have a good lock and sign now that I've done all the floor work underneath the steering. I mean, I still got to grind all my welds because they're pretty... you can't see when the steering column's on the way, so I was just kind of guessing, so, it's a little bit dicked. But I mean, it's not like it's the side of the truck, it's the floor. Zero f***s, you know what I mean? Once you friggin', most people put carpet and shit on the floor anyway, so you wouldn't even bother grinding it down now before I'm grinding it down. But just get the highs off it, we'll put some smealer over it, and bed liner the whole inside of the cab. So, well, yeah, we'll figure it out. Bed liner the floor and shit anyway, for sure. See how much bed liner we got left and go from there probably. Inwood friggin' customs, boys. Decent.